let's look at the camera. I am that guy right now. Good. This leg, it's the perfect pose, but a little bit make it like this. Yeah, good. And face to the door. Now shoulder turn to me more. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Only shoulder. Turn it. And let it be like this. There. Good. Try to keep your face, look at me like this. Not too much. Now show me your right hand. This is left. This is left. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Look at the door. Shoulder more turn. Show me this. Not leg, only upside your body. Only shoulder. Not like this. A little turn your shoulder. Put that leg same I explained. Okay. Only upside down. Yeah, good. Now right hand, play with your hair. Look at the mirror. Face, look at me. Not too much. Good, perfect. Yeah, exactly. Great. Now show me yourself more. Yeah, good. Exactly. Bring the skirt more up when you do this. Yeah. Good. Now face to that chair. Same pose. And shoulder more change. Same. Everything same. I mean, from here to down, everything same. Only upside turn. You know what I mean? Like that side. Bring the skirt up. Good. Good, perfect. Look at me. Nice. Now, play, open it. Bring it up. Yeah. A little go back, a little go back. A little go back. You know, okay. A little to your right. Same. Okay, let's go. Good. Nice. Open your leg more. A little more wider. And a little come to me more. A little. Good, okay. Let's go. Perfect. Nice. Yeah. Okay. This pose is good. Okay, look at me. You do it like this, but your upside up body shouldn't be like this. It should be like this. And face to the chair. Exactly. Do the pose. Don't change the pose. Open your leg and skirt up. Be more sexy. Close your eyes and face up. Take a deep breath. Look at me like this. Now look at me. Face down and look at me. Good. Perfect. Okay, now. Lay down. Sit down. A little go back. Good. Deep breath back. Yeah, good. Look at here. And to your hair. Good. Nice. Now, don't change everything. Only bring them down. Same. Exact. Don't change everything. Just bring them down. Look at me. Both of them. Down. Okay. Shoulder. Good. Okay. Good. And close your eyes. Face to the roof. Roof. That side. Look at me. That side. That side. Up. Close your eyes. Look at that thing. Now same angle. Bring it up. And go more sexy and close your eyes. face up, close your eyes. Face up, close your eyes. Good, okay, now, don't change too much, like this. It's like this, Good, And it was like good, like you did it. Good, look at here. Nice. Good, and a little fall. Now eyes to me. Look at me, Annie. Good, that's what I'm talking about. Great, okay, now. Completely lay down, like this. Go down. Okay. Come to me. Go. Head down. That side up. Yeah. Don't keep it with your hand. Hand here. Good. Head down, head down. Yeah, head down. I don't need your head up. Okay. This leg. Leg a little open. Head down. Here, head down. Completely lay down on the floor. Okay. Okay. And a little turn your body. Okay. Do whatever you want to do. Okay. Change. Do whatever you want to do. Change. Facing me, Yeah, good. Perfect, yeah. Change. Show me your butt. Show me your back. In the center. From the other side will be better. Okay. Then you can turn more. Good. A little turn more. Turn more. Okay, and go that side more. Okay. And show some more. Change. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Do more sexy. Come sit like this, whatever. Yeah, go. Change. Good. Turn to me more. Pick this. Okay. Good. You can sit even like this and hide.